Another thing you can do when walking your dog, in preparation for walking your dog off the leash, is similar to the concept when you're on the leash and you switch directions as soon as the dog passes you. You can do the same thing as if you had an invisible leash attached to your dog. So you're walking, and I know Roscoe's not gonna run away too far, and we're here in a protected area. There's no one around, so I'm not really concerned about him running off. He's not super independent. He's always grown up around humans, and he's overly attached probably. So what you can do is take your dog off the leash, make sure it's a safe environment, and start walking. And he is going to follow you. So unless he's a very stubborn, very independent dog who hates you, then he is probably gonna follow you, because over the time he understands that you're his only food source, so you're the key to his survival. They understand this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk around here, and as soon as he passes me, I'm gonna turn around and walk a different direction. I'm not gonna tell him anything. I just want him to notice that we're not going that way anymore. This forces him to pay attention to me and be aware of where we're going without me having to call him. And you can do this depending on how far you want your dog to go away from you. I'm just gonna turn around as soon as he passes my side. See? Where is he? So I'm just like walking around. He's running up behind me. Then I change directions. I don't tell him anything. I just like go. And you can just mess around with this and see how long it takes for a dog not to run away from you.